Good morning, YouTube and friends. We are on the Colorado River at Riverside Resort and Casino. That is the water taxi that comes from the Arizona side of the river, over there. I picked this spot to make this video because we are in view of what they call the USS Riverside, which is their tour boat that takes people up and down the river. It's one of the many things they offer for people staying here. Lots of things, bowling, bingo, all the things you'd expect, but this is unusual. They have their own river. So I'm going to walk the other direction. See, I'm in the shade here. This is really nice. I can even point it at the sun probably. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to go the other direction. I'm right kind of underneath the eastern side of the casino. They have like a little, this is maybe where the delivery trucks come in. So it's early in the morning. I think it's only around 9 o'clock. And boy, it's really nice out here. It's, oh, there's a mural. Check it out. I haven't seen that before. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do without sounding like an advertisement for the casino. It's a really nice, nice spot. Let's check it out over here. They've piled up dirt and they've put concrete along the river just to keep, things from moving around. And lots of palm trees everywhere. I don't know what kind of palm trees. This is kind of like down below the grade. I don't know what it looked like before they built all this stuff. This could have been a normal low spot, or maybe even a hill. So there's a hill right there. Ooh. Okay. They got palm trees everywhere over here in Laughlin, Nevada. And I'll put a couple notes about Riverside Casino and just Laughlin in general. If you live in Nevada or Arizona, I'm sure you've heard of this place. Look at that water. It is just flowing so fast. We noticed that when we got here. I don't know if it's a good time of year. Seeing that it's October, I would guess that they're already getting mountain snow. The Colorado River actually starts in Colorado, so uh, high elevation, way up in the mountains just west of Denver is where the river starts. Look at that water, man. That is really... I gotta set my coffee down there. Okay, hang on. Let's take a look. Oh, man. It is flowing like crazy. They said it has a very strong current normally. That's something they had problems with for the Colorado River, the Rio Grande River, and probably many others in the western United States, because these rivers drain huge amounts of land. This is close to where I made the skunk video. If you remember the nighttime skunk video, that was right over in this area. I'm just leaving the building now. The building ends right here. Okay, well, I don't want to make it too long. We have a policy, no long videos. Let me back up against against the pillar here so the phone is a little quieter. There we go. So have a wonderful weekend. We will see you soon. That's why I didn't make a video last weekend. I've been working on cleaning my my residence and also my little building too that you know about. A lot of work getting everything going. So have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.